Welcome to this live trade session. For the subscribers at this hour, all you have to do is, if you can see my screen, then follow whatever you see me do. Open your trading app and be on the same page with me. You start here, you open your trade, you click new trade, you set the lot size as I do, you enter the price you see on my screen, and then you wait and trade as I trade. So that is it. Make sure what you are doing is what you see me do, and that is all. So as many trades as I take, I expect that you will take them with me in this hour. This is the live trading session with trade benefits. So trade along and let's see how many trades we can take before the time runs out. If you can see my screen, make sure everything on my screen is what you have on your screen, so we take the same trades at the same time and you don't have to miss any trade or take any wrong step. So are you doing exactly what I'm doing? And is your chart showing exactly what my chart is showing? Are you seeing exactly what I'm seeing? If we are on the same page, trading the same instrument, then ensure to take the trades I take. And let's see how far we can go in trading the markets. Our instrument to be traded is volatility 75 index. Okay, so we are getting ready to take our next entry. Ensure that you take action as soon as I take action. No delay on your part. All you need to do is, when you see me place an entry, ensure you do the same. So set up what you have seen on my screen.